Are you ready for school? It's breakfast time with Mum, Tim and Kate.
They're in their school uniform. White shirts, red jerseys and grey trousers or a grey skirt.
In the morning, they're on the floor.
This is Miss Jones, their teacher. Look at the classroom. There's a computer, a desk and a chair.
At lunchtime, they're in their classroom. There are sandwiches, fruit and drinks.
The big children are in the hall with hot food.
Now, they're in the playground. It's big.
After lunch, it's maths with Miss Jones.
There are books and pencils. It's difficult.
Then it's home time with Dad.